Preventive maintenance, also known as PMs, can be generated using Hippo's scheduled work order system. Scheduled work orders will generate PM work orders onto your dashboard based on the schedules you've created. Start each PM schedule from scratch or build your own list of standardized templates. Schedules for PMs can be calendar based or meter based, both with various frequencies and metrics to choose from. PM work orders can include all the same details as demand work orders. Outlined details, instructions such as task lists, attached files, lockout procedures, and job hazards. Schedules can also be auto-assigned to specific users, like technicians, or emailed to third-party vendors. For situations like shutdowns, you can suspend preventive maintenance schedules with Hippo's Pause Play feature. You can see which PM schedules are currently running, which ones are paused, and which schedules are no longer valid. To learn more about Hippo CMMS, speak to a Hippo expert or schedule a software demo today.